Hello friends, welcome to online lecture series Elite Institute. I am Prakash Vidja and studied you physics, class of TY Bsc semester 5. First, I studied of branch of physics. So, how many branch of physics? I told two branch of physics. The first branch of physics, classical physics. The classical physics of use of Newton's law, gravitation law, Newton's formula, force, velocity, accelerations, density, viscosity are etc. place of classical physics. The sub-branch of classical physics. So first sub-branch of classical physics is classical mechanics and second sub-branch of spectroscopy and optics. Ready? And second branch of physics, modern physics or quantum physics. This physics related to theory of relativity. This theory is the Einstein theory. Einstein theory was E बराबर mc square. And Heisenberg, Max Planck and Schrodinger equation. These equations are quantum physics or modern physics. Next, mathematical physics. Mathematical physics related to mathematics term of every direct data function and Fourier series. Next of nuclear physics. This physics introduce of study of atoms, nucleus, study of electron, proton and nuclear. Next branch of thermodynamics. This branch of deals heat and temperature and their relation of energy and work. Temperature depend of thermodynamics. Next, biophysics. Biophysics related to biology. This physics study of biological structure of living organism using technical divide from living organism, the cells of our bodies. Study of this physics. Next, astrophysics. Astrophysics or astronomy. This physics related to study of universe, so that study of planet, galaxies, star, every planet. This study of astronomy and many more branch of physics: electric physics, electronics physics, electrostatics physics, electromagnetics physics, and many more branch of physics. Now combine the three physics in subject number 5.1: classical mechanics, quantum mechanics and mathematical physics. Three physics is combined one subject 5.1 and now studies 5.1 classical mechanics, quantum mechanics and mathematical physics. Now start of physics 5.1 classical mechanics, quantum mechanics and mathematical physics. First part of physics, mathematical physics and first unit of Fourier series. So now start of Fourier series. Question number 1. Introduce of Fourier series. What is a Fourier series? So Fourier series is a combine of sine and cosine series. So now definition of Fourier series. A Fourier series is representation of both sine and cosine function in one series. So equation of Fourier series is f of x is equal to s0 plus summation of 1 to infinity particles an into cos nx plus summation of 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where a0, an and bn coefficient of Fourier series, where a0, an and bn is coefficient of Fourier series. Now, condition of Fourier series of f of function. So, two types of condition of function of f of x in Fourier series. So, one, finite number of n is equal to 1, 2, so infinity, and second, in f of x function. And second, only finite number but discontinuous. Discontinuous number is called related conditions. In apply Fourier series. Thank you for watching this video.